In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on automatic low light correction in Microsoft Teams. To get started, open Google Chrome and go to teams.microsoft.com. Once the page loads, sign into your Microsoft Teams account as you normally would. Make sure you fully logged in and that the main Teams interface is visible before moving on. This helps ensure you can find the settings menu without any confusion. After you're inside Teams, look toward the top right area of the screen where your profile photo appears. Next to that profile image, you'll see the three horizontal dots, which open the More Options menu. Go ahead and click those dots. This menu gives you access to several account and app preferences, including the settings we need for video adjustments. From the menu that appears, select Settings. This will open the main settings panel for your Teams account. Inside that panel, click on the Devices tab. The Devices section is where Teams lets you manage your microphone, speakers, camera, and other meeting-related hardware options. If you ever need to troubleshoot your camera or audio in the future, this is also a useful place to come back to. Once you're in the Devices tab, scroll down until you find the video settings block. Take your time here, because depending on your screen size or browser zoom level, it may be a little farther down the panel than expected. The video settings area contains camera-related controls that can improve how you appear during calls and meetings. In that section, look for the Adjust Brightness option. When you find it, toggle the switch to on. This enables automatic low light correction, which helps Teams brighten your image when you're in a dim room or working in less than ideal lighting conditions. It's a simple setting, but it can make your camera feed look clearer and more professional during meetings without requiring any manual adjustments each time. After turning it on, the change should apply automatically. You can close the settings panel and continue using Teams as normal. If you join a meeting later, Teams will use this feature to help improve your video appearance in darker environments. That's all there is to it. You've successfully enabled automatic brightness adjustment in Microsoft Teams using Chrome, making your video a little easier for others to see during calls and meetings.